Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're talking about a hot topic in the tech world: AI adoption roadmap for organizations. As technology advances and becomes an integral part of businesses, organizations are increasingly looking to adopt AI to streamline their operations and stay ahead of the competition. But where do they start? That's where an AI adoption roadmap comes in. A roadmap is a strategic plan that outlines the necessary steps for an organization to successfully implement AI. It acts as a guide, helping organizations navigate through the complexities of AI adoption and achieve their desired outcomes. Now, here's the key insight. An AI adoption roadmap is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Every organization has its unique needs and goals, and therefore, their roadmap should be tailored to meet those specific requirements. The first step in creating an AI adoption roadmap is to clearly define the organization's objectives and identify the areas where AI can make the most impact. This could be in improving customer service, optimizing processes, or even creating new revenue streams. Next, it's essential to assess the organization's current technological capabilities and determine what needs to be upgraded or integrated to support AI. This could involve investing in new hardware or software, hiring skilled personnel, or partnering with AI service providers. Another crucial aspect of an AI adoption roadmap is data. AI thrives on data, and organizations need to have a solid data strategy in place before embarking on their AI journey. This includes identifying the sources of data, ensuring its quality and security, and establishing processes for data management and governance. Once all these elements are in place, the organization can move on to developing and testing AI solutions. This stage involves building prototypes, testing them, and fine-tuning them to ensure they meet the organization's requirements. Finally, the organization can start implementing the AI solutions and continuously monitor and evaluate their performance. It's crucial to have a feedback loop in place to make necessary adjustments and improvements along the way. So, if you're an organization looking to adopt AI, remember to start with a clear roadmap tailored to your unique needs and objectives. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.